Eiiev Group 31, 100 amp 1280 WH LiFePO4 battery with an instruction guide. Off-grid, boats, RVs, campers, anywhere that you need to put a battery to run 12-volt items. They give you the red and black terminal caps, bolts, lock nuts. It comes protected with styrofoam inside. It is a battery that you could place any way possible. It is acid-free of spills. It's a LiFePO4 battery. Protected in plastic, as you can see. All plastic shell. On top, you could write down information in this open space on the marker. As we open up the packaging, it has a strap so you could carry. Weighs about 20 plus pounds or more. A maximum of 25 amps can be pushed in for charging. Put on a solar panel, pull off the caps, and add on the plugs. What we're going to be doing is demonstrating on a solar panel off video and showing you what we're going to be hooking up to. Negative, located by black. Red, located by red. In this demonstration, we're hooking up the leads to show you the power and the charge. In order to charge, please plug into a device. We have 13.4 volts. We got our battery. We're going to be hooking up to a solar panel. We're going to make some leads and connect our leads. We're going to give positive to positive and negative to negative, placing on. Give you an idea what it looks like lit up during the day. We're running solar lights off of the 12-volt battery. And we're charging with a solar controller. With the timer hooked up and optional switches. For running items at a beach, at an RV, at a campsite, at a boat, off of a solar panel, a 12-volt battery. These are just some of the ways that you could utilize a 100 amp hour battery from Eiiev. And it's a Group 31 solar panel sold separately, connector kits sold separately for your off-the-grid needs. A battery to run the tiller, RV, camper, anything imaginable off of a battery. I hope you enjoyed this video of the 100 amp hour Eiiev battery. Thank you for viewing.